The Sony Xperia VIII 2027 is not just another flagship smartphone, it's a bold statement of innovation, creativity, and premium craftsmanship. Sony has once again pushed the boundaries of mobile technology, delivering a device that feels like a professional tool in your pocket. Right from the first glance, the Xperia VIII stands out with its iconic tall 21:9 cinema-wide display. The 6.7-inch 4K OLED panel is sharper, brighter, and smoother than ever, now featuring a 165Hz refresh rate. Whether you're watching movies, editing videos, or gaming, the visual experience is simply breathtaking. Colors are incredibly accurate thanks to Sony's Bravia technology, making it a dream device for creators and media lovers.